expecting something else.
They believe they can make you change, but I'm just here for the devilish games. Luckily you're used to flames, 'cause now you're in the hottest corner of hell. You might think you have a chance to make a change, but soon you come to realize you'll never leave this place. So still a seat, kick up your feet and make some friends. We're all stuck here forever.
Good luck getting out.
1, 2, test, test, welcome to the show. Where has-beens rock the dance below. Sit back, relax, read what you saw. Done things that heaven only knows. Don't fret, these demons are your friends. We live the life of the condemned. No need for us to make amends, 'cause we're all sinners in the end.
I can't go nowhere.
Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show.
Who is hating? They better go check the ratings. You know that your boy is hot 'cause I'm shining right next to Satan and Hades. There's no debating, and if you think you're mistaken, you really think you can take me? Best bring the army and navy. Fuck the truth. If I see an angel, put him in a noose. I'm amused by you goofies, how you always play the flute. Check the dough, see you later. Au revoir, reproduce. I'm the crazy motherfucker that don't wanna see me lose. And when I start approaching, feel your heart get a little faster. 'Cause there's no use of running, but I love to hear patter patter. Now I'm the talking combo, I don't like to hear chatter chatter. So if I take you like no guarantee that you get me never.
There's a perfect spot where you can lay your head.